how to take your full measurement, your full body measurement. Because we do a lot of bespokes, we had to most times tell people to measure their body, which we have to repeat over and over again. So this video will help anybody that wants to send us their measurements or taking their measurements for their own personal use to do it accurately. So you get your measuring tape, a book, and a pen, and this is how you measure. So tell me. Head circumference. So head circumference is if you want to do any headband or whatever, you take it this way, depending on where you want it to be. Bring the tape out, 22.5 inches. Or you can also take it this way, depending on what we are making or the best way you will wear it. So it's 22 inches. And the next one is neck circumference, and it depends on the style we are making. So we can tell you to take your neck circumference. So it could be this way or this way. So we'll tell you the neck circumference to take. But let's take this one in case is a turtleneck, and that is 14 inches. So the next one is bust width. So you wear the bra you're most comfortable in or that fits you best and you take the measurement 37 inches. And the next is waist width. Oh, it's smaller today. So you look for the tiniest part of your waist, and mine is here, and we take the measurement is 32. Yay! So we do the hip. So the biggest part of your hip, mine is here. So I bring the tape, and as again, if you're taking your measurements, use 2 fingers to put in between, nothing more than 2 fingers. So my 2 fingers are here. So this is to give you enough space to wear it. All right. And you take it to the smallest part of your hip, and that's 42 inches. What's the next measurement? New width. Yeah, so new width is if you want your clothes to be tight. So you put it there. Most times I don't ask for these measurements, but if it's needed for the dress we are making, we ask for it. So you measure it enough to allow you move your legs. 35 inches. What's the next measurement?
Full length.
Full length. So for your full length, you put the tape here, the shoulder point, and take your measuring tape all the way. Since I'm measuring myself, this is how I do it. I've taken the tape down, so I hold it somewhere, then bend over. My full length is more than 60. The tape stops at 60 inches. My full length is 62, but we are not very many that is that full length. So to finish the length, what I do is take it to the point where the tape finishes, hold it there, take a mark, and finish the rest. So my full length is 63. Yeah, so I love my full length to get to the ground. But if you want it mid, yeah, for some dresses are mid length, so you do. So wherever you want the dress to stop, if you want it here, you stop it here or here, T length, whatever you want, you stop the tape where you want it. So what's the next measurement?
Shoulder.
So For shoulder, you go back, you put, if someone else is measuring you, take your hands up so they can see where your shoulder bone stops and starts. You know, shoulder bone is here and the arm bone starts. So if you take it up, you see it. But if you're measuring yourself, kind of know where it is. It's around here, it's around here. So you place your tape and take it. And mine is 15. Okay, so what's the next?
Bust point.
Bust point. So you put your tape here and your bust point is here. So where your nipple is your bust point, and mine is 11. This helps when we are shaping the dress to get the best fit on the top part. So what's the next? Yeah, we have under bust. So your under bust is here, just on where your bra cup starts is your under bust, and mine is 15. Oh, I think I'm wearing a bigger bra today. Oh, so 15 and a half, I think. Yeah, usually it's 15, so there's half today. So that's why you have to wear the bra you're most comfortable in and that fits you the best. So different bra gives you different shape. So the bra that fits me the best gives me 15 inches. Yeah. So what's the next one?
Waist point.
Waist point. So same thing. While your tape is there, you locate the tiniest part of your waist, and that is it. Hold the tape out, 17 inches. So what's the next one?
Chest point.
Chest point. So while your tape is still at the same point, my chest point is still about the under bust area. So your chest point is the point between your breast point and your waistline. So my chest line, we can, and in most cases, that's what you use to get your what's it called? Chest point is the area between your shoulder and your waist. And that's the measurement you use when you're drafting your armhole. There's other ways to get that, which is breast point divided by 6 plus 1.5. So most times I don't ask people to measure their chest point because I can actually get it from other measurements of their body. All the parts of the body is kind of related. So if you want to get your chest point, that is it. And it's 9. So what's the next one?
Hip point.
Hip point. So from where your tape is placed, you go down. Find the biggest part of your waist. Mine is there. And yes. Let's do it again. My hip point is 27.5 is my hip point. Yeah. So new points. So the same thing while your tape is placed there. Hold it down and bend over. So my new is 41. So your new cap, your designer will now decide, do they want to go up or down depending on the cloth? Are you making a mermaid or a shaped trouser? So that depends on what. What's the next one?
Sleeve width.
Sleeve. So your sleeve, you put your tape here. Sleeve width. So that's it, 12. That's if your sleeve stops here is fine, but if your sleeve is longer, you bring it to your cap, and that's 11. Then you take it down again to where it will stop if your sleeve is a long sleeve, and mine is 8 down there. So what's the next one?
Sleeve length.
Sleeve length. So now it also depends on where you want your sleeve to be. You put it from where your shoulder stop, from where your shoulder measurement stopped. And if you want it tiny, it's 5. And if you want it, the standard short sleeve is 7. And if you want it 3/4 above the elbow or whatever. So if you want it on your elbow, my elbow is 14. And if you want it maybe same length as what I'm wearing, is 19. And if you want it longer, of course, my longer is 26. So you just place the tape and see where you want it to stop, and that's the measurement. So what's the next one?
Short, medium, or 3/4.
Okay, so yeah. So I've done all of that, and that is the summary of taking your measurement. So most times we ask you to take for trousers or so, but the measurement we took today is a general measurement. And yes, that's how to take your body, accurate body measurement for House of Abia. Thank you.